Keep a journal or diary. Some people write every day, some only keep a journal while traveling or during an important event. Either way is fine. Just pick what works for you. Carry a sketchbook with you. Maybe you don't like to write, but you like to draw. Think pictures and videos. Photos and videos are a great way to tell your story. Both mark a moment in time. Think of all your back-to-school photos. Even silly videos shared with friends help to tell a story. Scrapbook. These are a great way to decoratively collect and display photographs and mementos, and if you keep them updated, you can collect a lot of stories over time. Now that you've decided on a way to tell your story, keep it safe and make it last. First, skip the stickers and the tape. Yes, stickers add a certain bling, but the sticky stuff, the adhesive, can cause damage. The best way to attach your mementos to your pages is with photo corners, or put them in a plastic cover and then attach them into your book or album. Second, record names, dates, and places. You can write that under your photos, sketches, or writings. Doing this will not only help you remember what you were up to, it'll also help anybody who comes along later to figure out what you were doing. Third, keep your digital up to date. Computers crash, so don't store everything on one computer. Pick an external way to store your memories, and remember to keep up to date with your technology. Follow these simple steps and maybe one day your collection may be highlighted in an archives. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Borgia, an archivist with the National Air and Space Museum. How are you going to tell your story? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, follow STEM in 30 on Facebook or Twitter, and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum YouTube channel.